Hi guys! Welcome to another day for another vlog! Yun na nga guys, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na itong vlog na to is 10 days old na siya. Yes po, 10 days old na. Kaso ngayon ko lang po siya i-upload. Medyo walang time and pag magpapahinga na ako, parang feeling ko pagod na pagod ako. So, ang haba kasing editan eh. But anyway, itong vlog na to parang nakaka-cringe. Sa totoo lang po, baka titindig yung balahibo ninyo. Kahit ako, sige na lang, i-upload ko na lang to kasi umi-English po tayo dito. Eh, kasi naman meron tayong viewer, isa lang, na parang hindi niya daw maintindihan yung sinasabi ko. So, itong vlog na to para din sa kanya, para makaintindi din siya. So, umi-English tayo dito, guys. Huwag na kayong mag-judge, but you are bound to judge me. I mean, you have the right to judge me. Pero, okay lang din. Kasi nga, public na to, so it's okay. Hindi po tayo English speaker, hindi po tayo fluent in English, wala po tayong accent. So, pagpasensya nyo na po yung vlog na to. So, pumunta kami ng Abong-Abong just to check kung may water bang nagfo-flow sa river na yon. Yes po, we really wanted to find out ourselves. Ano daw? We really want to find out for ourselves kung totoo nga bang wala ng river, ay water doon sa river na yon. Kaya po, we decided to go there and witness it with our two eyes. Yun na nga. So, samahan niyo ako guys, kasama si Seth. Hello Seth, kung nandiyan ka na sa Manila, I miss you so much. Ingat ka always dyan kung nasaan ka man. Sana, yung inaasam-asam mo dyan, mangyayari na. I'll pray for you always. Yes, I miss you. Andito lang ako for you. So, back to topic guys. Samahan niyo ako kasama si Seth sa vlog na to. And after namin doon sa ilog, nag-ikot-ikot na rin kami. So, panoorin niyo na guys. Maraming salamat!
Terra, etc.
OMG! Ito na yung dating mailog. Hala! Grabe! Dessert! Dessert! Oh my god, this is it! So this was seems to be before. There's a lot of water there, running, flowing, going there. Yes, and this one, look, there's still water here because I think because of its shapes, so there's still left water. But actually, look, oh my gosh, where's the water? So I told you this, it's 45 degrees Celsius. That's why the water is affected, the river. Oh my god. So actually we went here with my friends just to chill and maybe sit down, even though I was thinking before coming here that maybe there's no water, but I can't believe it in my eyes that there's really no water here. There is, look at that, there's still kids playing, but there's no water. OMG! Oh my god, this is for real. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I can't believe it in my own two eyes. Oh my god, you know, I know that I've been hearing that there's no water, that it's drought, it's dry, and but now seeing this one, oh my god, it's really very hot in Zamboanga City. Yes. Oh my god. So I've been walking and seeing this. Wow, where's the water? OMG, look. So I still want to show more. Maybe I wanted to have hope that there's water. There is no water. Only that water remains. Oh my G. So look, it's really true that there's no water. Oh my gosh. Wow. All rocks. OMG. So that's wow. I think I remember this one is where we went before, where There is a stairs. Oh, there's no water. There's a kid. Hello. Look, it's dry. I can't believe it in my own two eyes. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Amazing girl.
Oh my god, this is for real. It's really for real. I can't believe it in my own two eyes. Oh my god. This is for real. Yeah, but there's still left some water there. I guess it's not potable to rain. It's not good to take a bath. So there, the kids are fishing. Look. Oh, they seems to be cute. Oh wow. Oh my G. This is not real. So look, so we went here with my friends just to check. Actually, if there's water, we will going to swim. But sad to say, there's no water. So we witnessed it with our own two eyes that it is really dry. Oh my God, this is for real. I can't believe. Actually, I heard rumors that there's no water. Why should we go here? But it's like, you know, to see is to believe. I always say that. And now it's really for real. There's no water in here. So I just wanted to get this clip for my vlog because really I was excited to chill, just relax. Oh my G, I can't believe this is for real. There's no water. Oh my God. Oh my G, I can't believe this. Hello, this is for real. Oh my God, Seth, can't you see? So what are we gonna do? I wanted to go to the end, Seth, but can we go there? What? So this is my friend, my sister in another matter. Chard, kidding. Actually, she's my BFF, and this vlog is also for her because days from now she'll gonna.
Last time daw
So we will go there. So actually, I just wanted also to let her be in my vlog because days from now she'll be leaving. I'm going to the capital, so I will miss her a lot because she's the only one that I spend my time with because we are living in the same neighborhood, and if she's gone, who will be my companion? Because she's been with me in my most of the vlog. So Sefi, this vlog is for you. I will really miss you. Anyway, it's okay. I know there are people who will criticize us, who will maybe who will judge us, but it's okay. We are all entitled and open to our judgment. So we are speaking in English right now. It's not because we wanted to impress. It's because I wanted actually to make one of my viewers there. Hello, if you are watching, this vlog is for you because I wanted you to understand everything that I am saying right now. Yes, of course. Oh my God, can you hear that?
Yeah.
So I wanted to go to the end. Let's go. We will try. Yeah. Maybe we can pay even though it's closed. Maybe we can get in. Maybe we can. But they put their closed. So it's like I think invading privacy. But I wanted really to go there. Actually, they're still until to the end point because I saw in one of the video that there is a small water there. That's why I'm hoping that we can go there. But they put a slogan saying it is closed. So we can't just barge in there. We can't just go there if they don't want. So sadly, this is all the clips that I can send to you. So I guess we will just chill here. We'll just sit here for a while. And let's see. So guys, look. Yes, and this one is for the front one, and this one is for the back, and this one is for the front because I always capture this one. We look beautiful. You look so pretty, Safi. I will really miss you. Can you say something for me because you will really miss this vlog? Hey, say hi to Mr.
guys.
Hi, Mr. Hag. If you're watching, this is my BFF. Her name is Sefi. She's going to the capital, and maybe, hopefully soon, I can go with her. Yeah. So let's go. Ching ching. So we will try to go if there's no water. Look. Yes. Oh my God. So come on. Guys, let's go. We're going. So we're going to the end. It's double. Sefi. Close. Yeah. Look at the place. Oh, let's go. We can just go. Wait lang, wait. Entrance siguro. So, mag-English siya. We're going to the
Close po tayo, sir.
Is it okay? Mag-ano lang, mag-vlog lang namin.
Bawal din po. Close po tayo. Opo.
Jerry.
Dala po tayo sa baba, sir.
So it's not okay to go there to have a vlog, yes. So I guess we're going back.
Pwede tayo pero mag now and forever.
Ano daw? Well, actually, this is under an LGU group, DNR. Yep. So I don't know because maybe they're protecting. Yeah, sorry guys. I think we can. Ano daw ang sabi ate?
Welcome to my vlog.
So ayun na nga guys, tapos na tayo ng English. Buti na lang meron ditong part na kailangan ko mag voice over and makapagsalita ng normal. I'm so sorry for that kung nag-English ako, pero sana maintindihan ninyo. Try lang naman natin. So ito nga, bumalik na kami. Pupunta kami ngayon ng bridge, papunta sanang doon sa may under the bridge kasi baka doon may tubig. At saka ang init talaga dito guys, kaya naghahanap din kami ng lugar kung saan makaupo kami, makapag-chill kami. So dito papuntang bridge. And last time dito kami pumunta yung may dagat, ay may tubig. So baka dito meron, tingnan natin. So from doon, punta sana kami ng end point, yung sa dulo, pero hindi kami pinapasok. Siguro nga nakilala kami, hindi kami taga dito. So ito na yung bridge. Yan. So, tingnan natin kung may tubig. Oh, walang tubig. Pero may mga na-stuck na tubig. Walang tubig din. Sa bagay, ito yung sa baba eh. So, expect mo na wala talagang tubig. Ang tanga ko naman, no? Yun na nga. So, punta na lang tayo dun sa baba. Tingnan natin. At saka, dito na lang din tayo magpahinga habang hinihintay namin or talagang init na kami sa panahon. Kasi dito may shade sa baba. So, puntahan natin. And, ewan ko bakit nawalang audio dito eh. So, papasok na tayo guys. And para makita natin. So, kanina yung sa vlog ko, nakita ninyo. Nag-i-English ako. Di ako masyado nakapag-Chavacano pero nag-i-English ako. Kasi trinay ko lang naman. Baka ito na yung huling vlog na mag-i-English tayo. Kasi parang hindi bagay. Nakakapanindig balahibo pala. So pagkatapos dito ng voice over ko guys, back to regular audio na naman na may English. So please patapusin nyo na kasi ayoko sanang i-upload ang vlog na to pero sayang naman i-upload ko na. So nakita nyo naman guys, walang tubig oh. Oh, may natira doon. Yung mga ganyang tubig na natira, yan yung mga tubig na yung hindi na makadaloy ang water. O, tingnan nyo, dahil siguro yung sa klase ng may yung parang may curve ganyan, yung parang naging pan siya. So, kaya yan natira yung tubig. So, yan, nakikita nyo. Pero actually, wala na talagang dumadaan na ilog eh, na tubig. Wala talaga. As in. So dito na lang kami magpapahinga dyan sa baba. Kasi last time, I think meron akong vlog doon, no? Yung naligo kami ni Nasef doon dyan sa baba. Malapit kami sa yung nakapag-vlog ako dito, alam ko. So, punta na lang kami ni Seth sa baba at magpapahinga, mag-chill kami. Yes. So, samahan nyo kami guys. Mag-chill-chill tayo. Kain-kain kasi ginutom kami. Ang init dito. This is around 2 p.m. 1:30? Yeah, around 1:30 p.m. Kaya ang init. At saka parang ano din kasi doon kanina walang tao, kaya dito na lang namin napili. At least dito sa baba medyo may privacy, diba? So baba tayo guys dito. So baba na tayo guys para makita natin na malapitan kung wala na nga talaga. Wala lang nga talagang wala. Makita natin na malapitan at saka makapagpahinga na kami dito sa baba. Ayan, bumababa na kami. Yes. May hagdan talaga dito po. Pababa para makapunta kayo dito sa baba. Yan, punta kami doon yung sa may shades, yung may lilim kasi para makapagpahinga na kami. At saka mahangin dito guys kahit 1:30, 1 p.m, 2 p.m. Mahangin dito, napaka-presko. So nakita nyo ng tubig yan, 'di ba? May tubig na hindi na siya dumadaloy hindi na nagfo-flow. So I would say na parang hindi na rin siya malinis na paglangoyan. Hindi siya safe, I think. Yeah. Kasi at saka yung doon, ito, tingnan nyo. Pero parang malinis naman siya, no? Pero I think, pero kung siguro ako, hindi ko na itatry na maligo dyan. Kasi hindi na dumadalo yung hindi na tumatakbo yung tubig. Ayun na nga, may nakita na tayong tumalon, naligo, kasi may natira pang tubig, at saka andun na si Seth. So, puntahan natin guys, at lapit tayo na makita natin yung tubig na yan. Kasi last time talaga guys, sa totoo lang, dito banda, at saka yun doon kung saan tumalon yung bata, yung naliligo. Ang bilis ng agos ng tubig, as in sobrang bilis, yung parang madadala ka talaga ng current niya. Yan, tumalon na naman. Diyan, as in, wala, hanggang doon talaga Ito, nakalapit na tayo. Parang green na green siya. Dito guys, hindi ka makalakad ng ganito. As in, basta ipakita ko, makamanap ko, ipapakita ko dito yung video sa taas. Tingnan mo yun. Naman, siguro, mainit kasi, kaya naligo na lang sila. Pero feeling ko, green na green. Bakit kaya to? Ligo sila, siguro malalim doon sa gitna. Kahit siguro ako, kung hindi ko alam, kung hindi ako maarte, maliligo din ako dyan. Pero maarte ako Yan, tinan nyo. So ito na lang yung natira. Pero yung last time guys, so ibig sabihin malalim pala ito dito. Kung may tubig pa. Kasi yung tubig hanggang dyan sa may butas, lampas yan guys. Wow, grabe. Grabe ang lalim pala. Hindi ko alam. Kung may pakita ko video, ipapakita ko dito sa taas. Ay, nako, sobrang pagod na ako. So ito. Yan. Nandun na si Seth. Balik tayo dun. Nang makaupo na tayo at makapagpahinga. And back to English na naman tayo nito. Sige na guys. Upo tayo. Oh my God. So there's no water. Oh my God, it's itchy. Oh my G, it's really itchy. Do you have a lip tint? Can you give me? Where did I get this? This one's from the shop. Why am I so Englishers? Did you bring the key? So we'll just sit here. Yeah. So ayun, hindi na kami nagtagal at umalis na kami doon kasi may pupuntahan na balak sana namin pumunta doon sa taas ng yung sa Shrine of the Cross, kaso mainit pala kaya maghanap na lang din kami talaga ng mapagpahingahan. Yeah, close din sila, ewan ko, close siguro during lang talaga Holy Week o ganun, yung parang kaya ino-open nila ang Shrine of the Cross. Kaya ito, maghanap na lang kami ng matambayan at siguro magkakaraoke, may nadaanan kami. So ayun, nakahanap din kami ng mapagpahingahan dito, nagkaraoke kami, kaso hindi ko maparinig yung kasi nga baka maka-copyright tayo. Sa tagal ba naman nitong sa tagal ba naman ng vlog na to na pinag-isipan ko kung i-upload ko ba, tapos naka-copyright lang. Alam ko hindi ganun kaganda ang vlog na to kasi guys, sobrang nowadays nakakatamad na talaga mag-edit ng vlog. So pasensyahan nyo na. So i-upload ko to kahit paano magkaroon lang kayo ng ideya kung may tubig pa ba dito. So
nagpalipas lang, so we're done here. We just killed time, of course. A while ago, it's been so hot. My God, we've been sweating all over. Yes, so it's already past five. So I think we're going to where are we going? We're going to Boulevard just to chill, just to sit. No, where are we going there? Yeah, I don't know where we're going actually. Maybe so. Basta Akia lang di among vlog, or maybe I will close later. We will see. Pero alis na kami dito sa may, actually pumunta kami kanina sa may helmet. Paakit sana kami, pero hindi kayo makaakit doon sa may Shrine of the Cross kasi paakit talaga yun eh. We can just leave our motor. Oh, I've been speaking Tagalog. Yes. So anyway, so bye muna kami ni Seth. So let's see where we are going. Come on.
So, natapos ng lahat, umuwi na kami, nag-decide kami umuwi na, and dito na kami duman sa may Pasanangka. Syempre, ikutin namin, dadaan kami hanggang Boulevard. Yes po, dadaanan namin yun hanggang sa matapos ng vlog natin. So, sa hapon, this is around 5 plus na. Makikita nyo, itong ganito makita nyo sa Pasanangka. Actually, matagal-tagal ko na lang din nakita ganito yung beauty ng Pasanangka eh. Ang daming tao. Ang ganda kasi yung pasyalan ng dito sa Pasanangka paghapon na. Kasi andito na yung magja-jogging, andito na yung kakain, andito na yung basta mamamasyal lamang. Ang ganda ng Pasanangka. This is really one of my favorite barangay dito sa Zamboanga City. Sabihin na natin naikot ko na lahat dito sa Zamboanga, pero hindi ko actually marami pa akong hindi napuntahan eh. Marami pa, pero let's appreciate Pasanangka guys. Ang ganda. So sa mga gustong mag-chill or may mga bisita kayo from other place, pwede nyo dalhin dito sa Pasanangka, maglakad-lakad, kakain, tatambay lang, titingnan lang lugar. Lalo na pag may mga foreigner kayong bisita, you can bring them here. Kasi actually nakaka-chill din, maganda. Hindi ganun ka-toxic ang lugar. Alam mo, mai-enjoy mo lang kahit manonood ka lang. Yes. Diba? So may mga nagja-jogging pa. Hapon na yan eh. Mga 5:30 na to. Yup. So tingnan nyo naman ang makikita nyo. May mga barbecuehan. Andito na naman kami sa Trade. This is ZPPSU. Yes. So papunta na tayong Western Mindanao State University. So dire-diretso na to hanggang sa mag-boulevard tayo. And sa unahan, yung school namin, my high school alma mater, is Zamboanga National High School West. May makikita na kayo dyan, no? Sa harapan ng WEMSU. Bago ata. So yan, tingnan nyo naman ang ganda ng West. Ang laki na talaga ng in-improve. Dati wala pa tong ganito eh, nung mga high school pa kami. Grabe no, ang laki na ng ginanda ng West, ng Zamboanga City High School West. May himpayan kami. In Zamboanga City there's a school by the sea. This is really along by the sea. Yun. Anyway, so fast approaching Boulevard na tayo guys. So ito ng Boulevard. And guys, promise, ang ganda ng Boulevard ngayon. Aside from its beautiful view and yung sunset, talaga paghapon, ang dami ng may mga makainan na dito. Yan, itong mga nakikita niyo yung mga ito, pwede ka mag-order dyan ng mga food, kainan, and be responsible eater lang guys. Huwag tayong magkakalat pag nandyan na tayo. Usually, at saka pag gabi guys, meron na dito mga live band. So talagang ang ganda na ng Boulevard. May makainan ka na. O yan, ito mga food, hindi ka na pupunta yung malayo para magbili ng food. So usually, pwede ka na talaga banding with family dito, tambay dito, mag-refresh lang, mag-relax. May makainan na kayo. Actually, ang ganda na ng Boulevard. Promise. Isa to sa mga lugar na pag hindi nyo alam kung saan na kayo pupunta, pagod na kayo kung saan kayo pupunta, punta lang kayo dito, upo-upo lang, chill-chill lang, tingin sa mga dumadaan, tingin sa dagat, sa beautiful place, abangan yung sunset, or pag ginabi kayo dito, makikinig kayo sa live band. Ay, nako, ang ganda, promise. I think ito yung isa sa pinakamaganda dito sa Zamboanga City, ang Boulevard na to. Yes po, masasabi ko yan. I can assure you. Yes, at saka itong dito party, maganda yung pag-selfiehan. Diba? I love it. So yun guys, maraming salamat sa sama at saka sa pagpanood sa vlog ko hanggang dito sa katapusan na to. I really hope na mag-aabang pa kayo sa mga vlog ko or sasamahan niyo pa ako sa mga susunod ko pang mga vlog kahit na ganun katagal, pero promise po hindi naman po talaga ako bibitaw. So maraming salamat. I hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as I did. So ito yung Boulevard papunta ng market. So hanggang dito na lang po ang ating vlog and maraming salamat. Sana po abang-abang lang tayo sa susunod na vlog.
Maraming salamat sa panonood sa vlog na to. And hopefully, maka-vlog na tayo ng matino-tino. Yung di natin nag-English. Pero kung sa bagong, pwede din naman mag-English, di ba? Why not? Kaso nga lang dito sa ating bansa, very Tagalog. Dito sa ating country, masyadong maraming perfect, masyadong maraming judge. Yeah, maraming judger. Anyway, yun na. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Panoorin nyo na lang po, i-likes nyo po, i-subscribe pa sa mga hindi nag-subscribe, and asahan nyo pong mag-vlog pa rin ako. Medyo matagal man, pero andito pa rin po ako. So guys, kita-kits ulit tayo sa susunod na vlog. Maraming salamat. Lagi ko po pa rin sinasabi sa lahat. Susuka, pero di susuka! Bye! Kita-kits sa susunod na vlog.